Cliff Baldridge, Santa Barbara Arts TV, and this is SIGGRAPH 2026. And I was here in 2019. Tell us how you have achieved this at SIGGRAPH. This is the best of all of SIGGRAPH 2026. Tell us how you have achieved this and what you're doing.
Thank you. So we are Tripo. You can see us as two things. First, we are a AI native 3D generating platform, and the second, we are also a series of AI 3D foundation models. Like the first platforms, we do a lot of, we cover the whole pipeline from high poly to low poly. Low poly means perfect or like usable edge flows, wireframes, topology, and texturing, part separation, PBR materials, rig, or even like animation. Our product, our platform covers the whole pipeline. That allows developers, artists from across different industries like gaming, 3D printing, like AR, VR, XR, or even like robot companies, like they can generate useful asset using our product, using our platform, and directly send into like simulators, engines, or like 3D printer.
Yes. And so how long ago did you start? Just a few years ago? 2-3 years ago?
Yeah, a little bit more than 3 years ago. We started the company earlier, 2023. And back to then, we see the opportunity of generative AI and applying it into like the 3D vertical. That's why we started the company. Because we are convinced that 3D has had a huge bottleneck, that the slow and the fragmented pipelines or softwares make the industry the barrier to entry the industry really high. Only like expert artists can make 3D content, and we want to change that or lower the barrier to entry.
And then I looked at it, I tried it out, and you can integrate different tools like Houdini. What are the different tools, real quick, you can integrate?
Basically, all of the conventional or major 3D softwares, from Blender to Maya, 3D Max, or even like also real-time engines like Unreal Engine, Unity, or like open source engines like Godot.
And then just to run them through just in a second, how does this work? What's the step-by-step in a second? How do you build this model? How do you do this? What's the process?
Yeah, we have two like pathways to build the model. The first is the high fidelity, high definition one. We call them the H series. Under the hood, we developed a method that can compress those high definition volumetric grids, like 2000 cubed grids, into a compact latent space that diffuser model can consume, and thus can generate those high fidelity models. And the other side, we managed to find a way to train on like polygon meshes directly, so that models can generate or can produce the usable artistic like 3D meshes. First the vertices, then the edge flows globally, using a second stage diffuser model. That's a technical paper that is presenting this year at the SIGGRAPH. We call it Nexus, a native mesh diffuser model that produces those artistic like 3D meshes.
Incredible. You're just doing great. It looks like it's just going to keep expanding, and it's just incredible, your success and what you're doing for the graphics community. Great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.